94.7 AsempaFM Suni Ekosiisen you ready and wasugo so a otie no yema mu nyina akwa ba bi omidi di osaibo nso frem you be make say Richard Ahiagba e wa ha ono ye Deputy Communications Director ma NPP at the national level. Chief Baine Nixon Hamilton, a Deputy National Organizer, Emma NDC. Mark Oliver Kevo, a Regional Secretary, Emma NDC, Eastern Region, and he is gunning for the parliamentary seat, Afram Plains South constituency on the ticket of the NDC. Sounds so Honorable Ochem Abuaje, a member of parliament for Bantama constituency and government spokesperson on finance and economy and a member of the finance committee in Ghana's parliament. And wabekanya huwa ha yena ye shedding common abrem. Next issue no ebe press conference a minority, but that's not the only issue on our table. And no, there will be more prosecutions of former officials, PEMCA Deputy AG, corruption, and other works with angels, Haruna Idrisu, that's in court. Akufo-Addo burying Ghana with debt, and Ramanebo Amen needing Komohama or the Tuja, and the minority, no, Ari Echo, sa concerns, no. Akufo-Addo's commitment to women undoubted upon Nkrumah, and we've dealt with that already. Collapsed microfinance institutions to petition BOG, and also June 4th expunge indemnity clauses from the Constitution. Rollins and Sama or the Atuja AB and no. These are the issues. Egu yen apono so ene area meba aba be shase free wo Richard because an honorable uncle okay no problem and honorable Ebeko because he speaks for government on finance and economy no on the yen be shase na ba saso say and they say open mosquito coil and insecticide spray papa saso ene was a woto and a brand name will be enim very very popular and the modern pe and popularity nkwa omo product nso ye quality and reliable and the modern say obepe bi ato one insecticide spray ne coil no enya wuti paye e madam eyehwam kama into don't ever compromise on quality, insist on saso osikumen tontom precon. Sounds like Trelidor say opesa obo fie ho by the best burglar proofing Trelidor and a Africa had you be anyhow. Frewan was 0561 242424. Now no one in common. Gilly Gold Pharmaceuticals and Sunro and 9 or the Abejaso. You will giddy power, giddy mal, giddy co and a giddy cough. Emubia a ye juma papa. And the giddy cough is a bow sore throat. Word drano. Giddy co is more yeme team. Koko house ya menstrual pains unya gidi kwa ibetu asiama gidi mal nenso malaria dren ye wo gidi power eno ye me dre ma me gina wonan so etime bo adwuma ye papa Gilly Gold Pharmaceuticals ye nro nyina 100% pure herbal product ye wo Mango Tree Avenue Asylum down frame was 0268 988 000 Honorable Chamabuaje ma minti
yo Obi, if you say, you know, minority for a quabisono, medium hoya kakra, but we new share a quabison, your friend will say, opposition wahala, you can't be a check, mean peba contum, then come Ghana for a month for Casabia, a buying or Bobusian do until you know, at the any news. The Binam Sibia episode one answer say more home kind of form room fee and I didn't Canada. And then so be a news. Na Mika Seminia Miami boss, honorable Minister of Information upon Kruma. A catcher no busa no pim and number say. And I'm did that have debt management report on Abrawi. As at the end of December no. 2000 and your friend say 18 no about 173 billion the crab biguso Bank of Ghana report balance am ye who say apaja kwa say I could do 198 billion the number but if you could also information on how but he was able to tell us.
But that is debt.
Yes.
That is not borrowing.
That is debt stock.
Okay.
That is a debt stock.
Okay.
But I just saw church say he did a very good job telling you. And Emma it unyanko bo busia kra etumi ma e Canada e peja. E bini say we sika no e depreciate. And now person dey pem no. I was already paying as also NDC for time depreciation of the city, no, the percentage. Until say no, we make say be inefficiency. I'm going to NDC for inefficiency. When I been 2014, almost 3rd year in administration, no, they depreciate about 31.33%. Somewhere from the card they admit they borrowed that much, and now compared to 2018 so far, now I think somewhere around 8 or whatever it is. And you know, me fan koshe no. What church say e ka bia NDC for ko jigu wa afi na e keke in.
Say on AsempaFM.
Unko boyo wa jigu wa sense agreement e wie. But e kan ye kan and I say be recognize ya accounting for the debt now. It is when it is disbursed. NDC bobo ka go for some projects bi o ha. Woman shall say buy intimi kase ntoa so aye toa so ntie ka no wa boru ago da. But I has see this now back on tinyo na aboru ekura na government is a continuum so be fa ho ka no na ye hwade bi ade NDC amamu Ekosiisen ankosi we so wo kaka say ana modis kana ye dai enye nuanom NDC for na 2008 omampanyi John Dramani mama so be kaya o ka jina baby ka say that time no a vice president say MPP edi tuo ho kosafo hene say amamu governance eno ne akwaye clinic accessie school accessie dia ene hospital ne de kaka ho dia say no de nkaye ade hunu because ababia ba wo bi an exercise in mediocrity sana enuanom NDC vokayo ene masa da no hu say sana ma no yemme ensem emfantonyum from ba mu rafi
Ekosiisen
say green book antimi anyi den ne green book Rebook ubu sakosho ubu sase ukwa kra nya kra so yase chicken pot koshoko kra yase greenbook koshoko yase greenbook yanka se amamoni infrastructure won here but amamo goes beyond infrastructure no you can this for infrastructure the infrastructure musoma yen kra no ne boy say obi tiniye ma me famra from na tefo ntidi yemfa se obi there are so many factors of production they yemfa na omu input. Your input determines your output. And the emphasis all things being equal, what the baby gumwa, Ubanya baby from Manambwa. Anna NDC 4 pencil. Umufa Ghana ka. Every 9.5 billion. And Umaswa could see 120, 122 billion because that number, no, you guys are debating it. No problem. A change. 2 billion, no, emphasis a change in numbers, no. 5 every 9.5 billion. And you could see 122 billion. Na enono se yakasa minimie no altens bi ni ko ye fase borrowing ne ye input so the share economy nima economic activity ba e ma ne ma move e ma ne produce output no ma dey for output ne production ni nyimu no dey for economics
Ekosiisen on
gross domestic product ne growth and dey for GDP growth rate and say oh bobo send gum na ye adwuma nko ade a ese sanwusie na firi moba no output no epaja obi so obi ka sam say in your NDC move sebe and they Ghana for enim sisem no they are talking about one side of the coin. A coin has two sides, your input and your output. So when you talk about input to input, okay, let's compare borrowing and the NDC to output, which is GDP growth rate. Oba bosiano edi gumuno na Ghana output ni no growth rate no na sote. Enti from 9.5 billion to 122 billion. GDP fell from 9.1% to 3.4%. I'm giving you, please. I'm just telling you, say, oh, Baba see a gumuno. Now your output so 80. I'm talking about the growth rate in Bacho. Okay? What do you say? Oh, Baba see a gumuno. Now your output no.
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
So under NDC, we could see an inverse relationship between input and output. More input, more borrowing, less production. Growth rate. That is a sign of recklessness, incompetence, create, loot, and share. And that was why we were saying that why is the transformation? Sikano wa hine. Nti obi kabusia mbo pa de so de wa unimunia. Me ma babusia ala manyankopa da Roma yetutu ya yeka ama kakra beta ho. Nti yenya bi. So you can borrow your way into prosperity. Mini ya Richard Bekacho say America for land of opportunities. What is it? It's loan. It's borrowing. If you borrow and you use the money for the right purpose, now the year the papa dia output no be increase, but NDC dia obobosia no na ye anyama no output no no now the money for esumu emfie 9 no obobosia no the money for esumu no obobosia na confirm tuko na for expedition ba no obobosia no de koye a sugar factory $35 million now for the kuya say ye you refuse Ghana for man raw material ho and no dia ibebusa say
Ekosiisen
a recklessness. And they are not helping us. And no, and I say, Yanko MPP there. Yanka say,
Ekosiisen
plus or minus 76 billion. 76 billion. Obi, me de o cook basic understanding. Because I'm a church mutintina, or we are there, but to me, just to teach ya keke. The 76 billion yakin. Senior Richard Pacho, your number see my TF1T. You ever say 80?
But are you making the point? Says 76 billion a year.
Make sure that
Bosnia mama bo, and I say more debt stock
as a debt stock. Nanumpono, make sure baby a be wo. And ya Busia bono. Okay. Now, Minister Casam manage pa. Busia be any parliamenta, any in a sway deal. And tell me the debt stock no bro, we report we know about how many page report. So me kwa meje ba kwa mo, me die kwa me jama. Banya ma wa me photocopy mo. I bet you Ghana Busia be a boy, dear dear, and this is 14B. Now, in
our report,
I'm say,
okay,
and me say, me chilo, me deba for me so. What me me deba form, no. But they have said desktop, Ghana desktop. A mamu di jaye, a paja. Desktop no paja, baby free beer, emphasis paja.
But Honorable Minister can say, in terms of Bosnia Moma Bono,
yes,
and only figure no readily available.
Make sure who
was our figure.
Make sure
Bosnia
me simple mathematics. What if funti? You can say buku nam da ebeto hono. What if funti? Yam fan say 80 billion.
Okay.
Ghana this stock. And yet they are bobusi because there are other costs a man nyini. Okay. Obi. Okay, so I say I call abrochire. I compare Borikrum.
Yeah.
I offer 15 billion, Brian.
Yeah.
So, can you spend you into Tiflim 15 billion? Tiflim 18, like I say, about 65 and financial crisis at NDC Bar, the Bar Maganaso. Financial crisis. Ama a Kukurambato, Banga Yase. Na NDC for Kataso. Na air program banks 10% of the banks were almost suffering. You buy a baby so a hooker Tiflim senior 12 billion Tiflim like I say. Mebo meseme famo kobukumo 53 meseme famo kobukumo un my dear friend a friend say friend say debt servicing I say bobo say ya tua ho si hu no Ghana tua about 13 billion a year. Yam fancy 2 years cra 26 billion Tiflim.
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
I can say, yeah, budget more juma. TF from National Health Insurance, 1.2 billion. Tifrim, meba, mo kana mo de go no. T 6 billion payment, meba. T 6 billion payment towards Esla, you know, sa energy that's no. Tifrim, T 6 billion pension ya. Adwuma 4 exugo o man Ghana for so den ama 7 years pension and this phone tua o man panya ko for the buy say there be Ghana for no ko pension ye say 6 point something billion 6 billion free I got 13.8 so okay me bo 13.8 assume me without admitting into any budget ye ho adwuma into school fee ye feeding krai. Enti a friend say you ma ento ho hello Jenio hello oh the make canon say one more sikana bi o wa yen abi kwa nyusu sa aerobody yeah liability management ye be yusu abi say budget support ye be yusu aye guso aye yusu na mo kwa kasa kire de ya this is just my own personal quick analysis for your listeners but the book na ba eniye ena kuta Chief Bani no na only no free ho wia de make can say amammo NDC's mess e ka gwachire to a contractors ka the make can say we are managing the nation's debt and fiscals no prudently enti NDC for say inu no atofo sene adon gosi enye umudi ai we dia me de ba fom kra o we ya tiefo na sebe me ma me no mu die ni bia e fom kra uninitiated me te bro so wodi jato ho ye ne sebe ye da yentimi nkenka bebrebe no me dia ba fom kra na we obi na me pa say buku hwema abekire de sika bia ye boy a ye de ye amammo nya sebe ujan kwanchen now to a friend say aboa na say egu back ni so amammo yeti kase te say omampanyina kufu adoti en na pamfo nyina tie kase ya de wi adwan eden na nya kala wole chie kuchi kala wole ana say create loot and share nse amammo careful a enka omampanyina John Dramani mama won ye accidental president kotumi ye manage Ghana to the destination.
Accidental president might not be fair to
okay
he was voted for.
I withdraw. Okudu baby e wa bruchi man so and ebu say mampanya ku ayi John Dramani mama anya bia o dwene ho say obeye mampanya na say oh me dear I am an accident of history. So wow we go Google den hwe. She said what's no but I can take it but he said he's an accident of history. Hello. And until now on gay won't conceive we therefore they said some no na probably a no
okay
and therefore we say incompetence, display of recklessness,
honorable Sifon Mami,
inefficiency me who so after the could be as a gra overkaya hey Mr. Crow was it me Ethiopia that good president after the Bakubi call Kakra Mr. Crow say one no jabako was it teacher training allowance tenio teacher training allowance was one tuya uti obakaya teacher training allowance was one tuya tenio oma allowance no after the who ya no nana the vice president ejina takwade e kase obetuya na school for G ye de koto obetia no
okay
so nti obi agana fo ye se omampanyi de no ma ndisi fo nya yenu anu bade no musere kwa.
Honorable Mamina say Oliver Bremu yemre ntina in the next 10 minutes mintie yes
nti edru baby na say de di agro
da be ono so ni views no go stick to your views right
obi
Oliver stick to your views near to us
oh say me views na me kan
fantastic yanko
e ka eda ho no sebe eye me no na bitua enye MPP for ni company
obi na hu kwasam
MPP for ni company ni akase friends company no yanko yi musika fra metua eye me ne wo e na bebetua e ka no ene friends dache eti ye discuss ye debt na e wo se sebe agro ne ho ne ma na de yi firim so what you say minua na edi kan enema friends honorable eka iti we firim to say de ye titi afirim amana sa no enema ni bi wo ha sebe obo ne sirem na aka esla mpokra enye 6 billion oka set 6 billion from 4.5 oka esla energy bond one kind energy bond asem enka public debt 8 billion na ye ka no asem because no man gasa be kire mu say true SPV special purpose vehicle and I dey quest services are friends and ekano enti enka ye debt no ho enti ni ati we from ni nyina no bosirem ka menua den ene wo ho besi ne kasa o kan bebre ka o mampani dada jo mahama sam ne ade no fundamental question ya bisa no wantimi answer the fundamental question is say menua no mo afran plain staff ayese ya bo eka se ya to ho aban na bo ka se ya to ho sika no de na de aye no wanti bi ankyere sesebe ebia yakotu ensuo e wo bona so ite ma na omo nante kwa chirichiri se ansa no makwa kwasa ensuo no eno ho fa so no wan kasa o when to be pointed to any single project. Obeka said, me pacho. Oh, what the time na yeah, me pacho. Wakasa be na ntwa, but ye di ma. Ye di ma, be na nye but ye finance. So tiase. And now you know, almost a composition of sa 80 billion. Ebi ya besia omabo. Ebi nso ye eka omobeto ye. Na emede ese kojo konkroma eka no oka railway a free tema etwam akoso mu. Esa eyo mampani dada John Dramani Mahama na kopes karabae. Sabe eduru ona say friends Ronaldo commission dia aya no mu refio. Aya no mu refi say eye asset e kana na omo e kan bebre say ye boka ne ho ne mane ade no ye de no kra de no what be point ye. He was able to point to a particular project o mampani dada Jodramani Mahama susu ho a sika ne gu so ba eno mu di etua eto se ahonhwehwe aba no de o ka sa project no e yo mampani Jodramani Mahama project na omo akasa de nso e wo hefa MPP ankasa omo project sika bebrebe a ye kan wasemi because mo ka say between for your past 8 years ye de eka ohwa afibia no on the average no na eka be say 13.8 billion on the average within 2 years on the average 40 billion say the 80 billion no na eka ho eka afibia no 40 billion afi omo kire mu say eka no fani bi no due to
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
Because any depreciation of the seed no sabe enya me ne wo obi e na hye ensam depreciation no a waka say ye sika no ye seeds no na aye week e na ho ne mane ade
AsempaFM.
A fundamentals na aye week no enya meme ene wo adwuma eya ban na ya to aba man na adwuma eso be make sure say obe manage seed no it is a one manage seed ni ye na e depreciate na sa ba ye eka eto Ghana for so a you cannot explain it away as if say e obi boni e wadi e na amasa de na ba. It is part of what a friend say or responsibility eso be manage seed na maye etino eka omo debt portfolio na omo e na e boro to ho no e maye no omo timi fa hye obi foforo oba NDC amamu a eno mampani John Dramani Mahama kan no ese aban bia ba o first year no o de be complaining aban etwa mu sei no ye obo obesia no kra no wanye we second year no waye edu third year na uguso obo John Dramani Mahama din ya chese amamu no wankasa unhu so because ene ye bi sa wankasa record
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
At least you to me point Rich Hospital, you to me point a friend saying a second interchange, you to me point project akese kaswa interchange. Hospitals are a course so district hospitals. Bebre hokopom ba bedru ya krompu na ka wuram ko kwa bitifia district hospital to send your friends and dodo wani bi wo ha aka wuram wo ho a omo to aso kumawu be kwai ene ho ne mane ade. Omo, what are they pointing to? What are they pointing to? Into the yabesre. Come on now, kofa book kakara buy no. Ana obi ebim. Na me so obekere. Ese ebia. Besia na ya boy 80 billion no. The way ne me just be analyze apapa mu. Ache se ebia emu 70 billion. Ena ya besia ya koje. Na 70 billion no. Ebia yesi hospital me ansa wa ha.
Kojosa minister this our breakdown about parliament.
Oh, into
mid-year budget review.
Into onim.
Eya hwan?
Kojo Ponkroma. And also onim so or try my minister back.
Also minister, the actual borrowing or more my no. Oni figure no offhand into minister de beba.
Oh, binia. You see, it is not even just about actual borrowing. It is about what you have done with the borrowing. Because Ghana ni na ote efie no. Ono no nia opati ni se bese na yesi akwakobo na ye di ni din akwakobo sa bese ya
de ayeni
a akire oba betua no ne de ayenie se de be ya se be otua taxa because enei the friends say we are in a tax regime we try ho kura ntwa mate say e ma pad ne adi nyina ye be tax sort ya say they tax you. It is in the discussion. What you sort ya say it no say ye better set tax bibia nipa na otua tax no e wo so ohun say sa tax no adwuma poti ya de ye ni Ekosiisen no AsempaFM ya besrom o timi enka ne hoya say ti we film say de na o keka no enko sake because the fundamental question say de na wo de aye and basically ne omo wa interview with this particular issue on government side no meaning what they obi boame e bia na interviews ni be ho amante have they been able to mention any single project almost some dey
the response from the honorable minister and it said the answer is in parliament because loan facility bia no the international ones no external loan for parliament
meaning obi
with the project
it's an insult obi it's an insult to Ghanaians because seven Ghana phone him say parliament ho and they appoint to as minister bosome so ayetwa minister for information as my information
Mr. Kobi Kebo say damn now minister pachira na say the obi nankasa kra nko you no free minister nko do free speaker
sound of person sound of person
free speaker maybe
so because media and can pass it some pass there were visible achievements on my yeah.
But he made a point
as we know
monomuye hypocritical on this because when in times past when former President Mahama was asked a similar question okaso mu ebusa no asem nenko parliament in what has changed amumu ba bebusa so omo so de loans na
no there was a fundamental answer first we made pointers yeah the answer chere project so ewo a friend saying green book num and so many others that were not even captured in the green book e chere am say nia ye nie e no mo baaye ese I no kura majatum ese yaye sa project no na emomu no ya inflate cost on
AsempaFM
and nice ese John Dramani Mahama say motete parliament ada na moda because you were part of those who were approving the loans so say fakoye we and if there were bloated figures and no money there you were all part of it and no ultimi approbating sa reprobate ultimi ma ka say oh majatumu say netie mo fa konkoye yaye project na wie na won sama be bisa say na sika no friends say wo say we na de koye na aden na wo de this match in fact you mo accuse you say yeah inflating the adi nyina no omo buy what is going on hydro sino contract asemi ekwanya the same quality the same friends length 1 kilometer 250 friends million per kilometer no omo mo yen a billion etino what has changed etino ye there yetimi pointing near ma ye disika no besim ne and apart from that Esla no when I did Esla no buy these were all mechanisms ye de buy na e kan na wo ho no ye di etua bi. So if they are mentioning about a account beto ya, they should also mention
on AsempaFM
asset ye di jaye. Vehicles ye di jaye on wait with the trias a can ne ho ne man ade. Etino basically the questions still remain unanswered. As a dear potty and a sika bubruja billions within 2 years aban bia nya bi sada almost abwato ho no e dey passport no mo dey
ma me na se Mark Oliver Kevin I think two issues and no ne dey sisi a ye hwe anim one is yehu the debt stock and where the debt stock is now the actual and I'm surprised that the actual borrowing abanya ye no we don't know and what those monies now being used for it. I think I know the two things as you see I was say pay ano pomesibre and hopefully no minim time a minister be call parliament with the media budget review there but I'm suspecting that be very soon. Richard ma yentio we be e wosisi I no metio
obi asami me sha say na me ka say NDC for afeli what they say ye wo baby a ebu no ewe mu eka say say ye pe asem aka asem ho aka oh
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
That is all chinem twi mu na
anya ya na make brofo na say twi program
ka twi na ne
o dey say
igbe programs
o dey say o say ye pe asem e dey aka asem ho aka dey a ebinum ebetumi aye but say ye pesika aso sika so aya dey a enyo bia de betumi aye NDC for ye pe asem aka asem ho aka na so asem so aka NDC for to make say ye pesika aya de pa e wo Ghana ha dey a NDC for to be yen sha se mfiri hifa domestic revenue mobilization omo tena ha tax de bia tax e ba ya tax so ya nte so but domestic revenue mobilization akoso anasa ankoso nipa betena kromu ha 3 years the 2 year raising is close to about 11 or something %. You increase. Betena kromu 8 years. What they catch me on average? 6 years. Yemman almost 8 years. Yemman 6 years. Now, nkomu to me increase domestic revenue mobilization by 11 point something % every 3 years. Nka baby aye wono. Nka no na ye wo. Nka busha bebrebo mo ko boy yi aye ka no. Nka ye boy. Enya no na rodan kwa agufo adoka say e han Ghana na ye tiskaso so comedy. Eye ba ya increase revenue ama na nkosoro. Say ya ntumi ya increase anko 20 kwa ye kire say sika no ye ho say ye be ye adwuma na boa Ghana. E betuma ye because sika no ha. GRA for eguso ye ntoto ye say be ya e betumi akoye nimu. Hwe obi oka bibi ma menye no free wansa menko masem no so. Na Sino Hydro akwan ye 1 kilometers de ben ni cost ye 150 de ben million oka. Na omo de omo ye bibi million oka. Na wo ya de 2 inches enso betoma na tete egu fom na ase no wo de toto de ya ne 6 inches stick no wo de toto ho wo de ase ye pe kasa so na so ye pass bi aka keke amani party no eni ze fo ni mo ye ba se ye adwene Ghana ho ne apɛ kwampa bi so aya ade aboa Ghana me akɔ eni mo no eni sintumi nye na ma se ma pɛ se me kan ne se obi eni ya bobusia 70 aya bobusia 80 anya no ne asɛm no asɛm no a ɛwɔ hɔ no it's not so much osofo tobo it's not so much how much you have borrowed it is what impact have your presidency or your government had on the economy of this country? I have shown you one already. Say, 11 point something % revenue increase. Anya dia be bua Ghana na. O dia say, anya dia be bua Ghana. Eno ne ye ka ho asem. Ye ba ye wo opposition na ye su kan ye mo ye na mo ye kire mo say anya ne sa. 2014 omo ya acrobatics on be ye owiase he nyina ekowie kire no anya mef ne ekoe na we were thinking dangerously 7 days worth of import cover na mo dia ho popo they don't have any means nti obi ye okroma na ye kase obi ne mo ye incompetent in terms of managing the economy. There's fact to it because okromo hano we have not gotten to that precipice. 7 days worth of import cover. I will name there under them, no. Balance of trade was terrible. Our trade was almost so imperfect, imbalance in a way say you cannot even conceive it. Say how we survived through those days. 7 days. We are over reliant on import, and what you had to cover this country was 7 days worth of import. Terrible situation. And the Ekasa incompetent I fact no why support to enti wo bagina ha na na kire say e na ka kire dia wo dia ye wo bo obusia de na ade 2 inches and 1 inches road a ya ene nsuo to aye hu bebi akwa no wi e na pese o kire so dia almost say eastern corridor kwa ya starting na ye den wakoho what do you say? So the question is not how much you have borrowed but what impact you have had on the economy. Anya kromo ha na ne ye wo teacher training allowance, nursing training allowance. Yes, you to me ntua. Nti omo ntua. But we are paying it now. You nya scan wa he? You could try scan na. Masa, wo bisa asem wo bisa no.
Wo di loan etua.
Masa to bo kasa na me wo ha. What you say? Wo bisa asem no, wa bre so a won to me ntua teacher training allowance. and then nursing training once a year train and no what be say baby any scan if the year huh what be say free SHS ye kan ya o ntumi nya o ye ntumi nya be fa he benye scan wo he ade no ye ne I'm close to about how many first one is about 90,181 and I potentially no almost September so no a bit to my increase. That many students are nya akwenya wo mu amoko no sika ade no we bisa say nya no here na eno no we bisa and I no nya question obetu me bisa na sika loan and I hold here den dia dia ye na wo hu no dia ye ya wo hu no we bisa say nya sika no we free SHS on bisa ye nya sika no we planting for food and jobs aye you want to me anye what I say yeah chief asema okay enye no kure wo mo hono revenue mo afi hin na ba ya ye hu munya scan no here if you have an anyway so enti dia me pesa me kiro no say obi say ya tik krom ha na bedi NDC fo chi aye nko bebia because who the parliament asika bia aban bekwa akoboro bia no nhihye mu no ese ko parliament nti ade na da ho na wonim say na ade ade na nti obetu futuro Ghana fo ni I said ya o ka sem bia ma na mo ko bobusia na mo de ye den wonim ma say Ghana fo nyina o so ko a front place afi I said mo voting the no confidence because wonim de okwa parliament because wo ko ho no contract ya wo kwa kotra ho approve a vote say approve no wonim say ho de ye no na ye so ankrata da ho a wo ba be ya front place of MP opesa o ye na ho no document no be fefura ba be ka kire o so kasama ban no wonim na mo de aye o de ase o maka kire o de ase enti obi asem no edum pempenso bi a wo ho ye nyina pe Ghana nkoso no I say to me identify NDC for na categorize o mo say ye mo pese Ghana be koso dala da no say engina ha yen kan semu a emfa yen kosi he e no mo pese ye kan because sen ka NDC for pen komo pe bi na edi Ghana ha wo ho nka mbeka say oh e free SHS amu yi mo ha ye di bi ka ho ana say ye ni say a yen ko enimu ana hwe obi opposition no nkire say wo be ka say dabi nko o say wo kire wadwen because Ghana for pay nsonso ye ada ye ntemu a ebeboa ma Ghana ko edim bebia ye du say anya politics o say nti na to the bi na make some na I am very emotional because we have gotten to a point we are not doing politics as usual but even if you are doing politics as usual no there should be some impact inherent in your argument because the omoyi nkoso bi enka ho chief babai obeka kan nsemo na okasa obi ntitwi na obi yese na obeka on ka sampo bi a abema ya hunu de yeko oba ono abeka se na mo aboro no mo de eden ya boro de eden onim bebia document one wan ko famba anka se ya boro scan ya di odi wo hu se nka on person mo ye no kure mo kan no kure che Ghana fo a nka krata no mo ni bebia wo no nka ma ko fa aba abetan studio aka so oh MPP mo bo obusia 80 million mo discan mo num ade no mo ntumi nka unim because krata no our parliament ade no mo ntumi nka say discan aye bo apayo ni heka but oba betena ha na asema yaka ane ye empowerment amplification de aka obi wan so ya santo ansa se onkoko wan ye na ye ka se say mu examine mu page mu no show vigor na no ya sam foforo e bi nsi da o di asem enti dem pese oh master
mama
the hypocrisy inherent in mo argument I am muti ha moye o di ase enti obi o ka a depreciation ya na o ka sa na twa mensunu mu o di ase ye mo yankrofo abetra so ma Ghana sika depreciate ye poto o de koto ade kura nipa ampese ebeje 31.2% 2014 the height of it oh krom ha ena omunya import your friend say your national reserve depreciate ye na be ka say 8% and as close to 8.8% depreciation no e ade a wo bi da Usa nipa ya wa ma Ghana sika depreciate 31.2%. O benya no akase obi depreciate 8% into no Ghana egu. He ye dum pempe so he aw ma menka we na mensi for
finally
yes. Finally na mo de aye finally obi. And na on the cancer agro so but agro kwa ebra o mo che opposition mo boy agro kwa
focus can the opposite can see
obi eno a obi send me picture bi aye Ghana ni ba me send am wa he o ti ase me send am hwe Ghana ni ba we free Ghana ha e ko bobra e wo Arab mem baby we use to get ne basa enko wie chire no mo ko ne ka ho hwe nipa ba pa da ho Ghana menua tie massage ya sema be ka no hwe omo de sika wo na chi sei e wo na chi sei a wo hu sei obaako so twa ne kon sei ne sekan Ghana ni ba Ghana ni akola na ye no obi ma so sa na ye nya akwanya se ye be ye man ye mana koso na wonfa enibre ne ahohyehyew emma saa discussion we me ye nyama ye ko enimu a na menhunu wo bebia wakoma ewo bebia wadwene eda se wo kuro ye wo kuro a wo do wo kuro no bebia wo pese ekosie na do dan kwa kufu ado ne ye bebia ya ye pene se ya wo Ghana a wo ye Ghana ni no ye nyina ntra ye kuro mu ha na ye mfa ahoden na mfa nibre emma ye kuro ensi yie na ye nso so ye ntra ha mbobra me ye nko na ye nso so betumi aye saa na ye no na nye kasa dodo
Richard
kasa enko se hwe NDC for the share Ghana
papa Obi, kindly inform my party NPP communicators in your studio not to follow the setup agenda of the NDC. They should better concentrate on bread and butter issues and propagate the good works of the Nana Addo Bawumia government. For MPP government today, Thursday, June 6th, 2019, presented 109 vehicles to the Ghana Police Service at the police headquarters in Accra. The vehicles comprise 16 buses, 5 towing trucks, 4 water tanks, 50 Toyota Hilux pickups, 5 ambulances, 10 Toyota V8, and 19 Toyota Troopers. Guy G in Newark, New Jersey. Marcus or Emirates or say Obi. So if we have been able to save 2 billion, where is it? Just talks. And I think it's in reference to Honorable Kojoka on Coco Road there. Or say if one listens to this MPP government every day, their national anthem is we've achieved this, we've achieved that. Where are these achievements? We have made this and that gains. Where are the gains? If we have saved all those monies claimed, then why are we still borrowing? Please be serious with Ghanaians. We deserve better. Marcus all the way from Emirates. Obi, I'm really amazed that Information Minister doesn't know the actual debt of our beloved country. And it's a shame to us as citizens. Very disappointing and disheartening from him knowing who Kojo is and where he's coming from. Okay? And such regards to Mark Oliver Kevo. Where if Prince Henry Ewo Koforiduya. Well, so what is Hannah-Bissell talking about? She should rather ask her own party to come and apologize to Ghanaians for calling a woman MP a bloody widow. Baba Ewo Tema. Well, say, please tell Hannah-Bissell to spare her ears. What was the percentage of women and the NDC government in which she was part? What's this hypocrisy about? Hannah hold, get to work and mobilize women and table their policies for the Ghanaian women and stop sleeping. Did you hear the voice of blah 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 on phone? Okay, somebody was talking behind her. Onel Amponsa Ewo Amsterdam. Okay. Gusty Man in Brekum says, so Hannah-Bissell claims she has women at heart, and yet she called her own fellow woman who lost her husband painfully a bloody widow. She must rather apologize for her insult. Gusty Man. David Watamelo say, Obi, why are you always quick at defending this government when some issues are raised against it under the pretext of I am asking the questions? Mr. Oponkroma is free to restate what the president said, but not you. But unfortunately, he was not here when I was interviewing the Honorable Minister, and as a former minister, David Intamale, thank you. We say, Obi, we are not surprised about Hannah-Bissell. She has been criticizing the president at every opportunity she gets. What the president said is not what she wants to use propaganda to deceive Ghanaians about. The NDC should stop the criticism and help solve our problems like what's happening here. No political party here will take this serious. Oh, Ghana politics. Alex Tufor, Hamburg, Germany. Okay, Chief, my entail.
Obi medasi. Obi, I don't need share no count. Obi mama fan to record the NDC nipa na awo Arab na richire kan yenyim ho hwe oyada sorry no kwara oyeyaw but onyada NDC fu na ya suma obedience bi onye gananyi ayakayaka de wo oye serious ma video no but until I make the NDC sumo bi awara
now because NDC ni na sumo
that be so make man no rekana sem ncha obi anya yeti baby aheyeti na baby ma wuti sunsun yi wo mu nta ha obi arekasa na obi arete man nyankorka na mezi mo si ko asem aheni ya na wa NDC fu man ye suma nkrofo Arab de won ye nkrofo ayaka de me pede o record do de yen de obi that insensemi if you are being a meeting office dean and meet interviewer and you know what don't go ye na manye honorable kojo upon kroma ye obi in fact honorable kojo upon kroma ni sensem na okay ni nyina no na oyam de sebi enko ye judi tina cabinet ye djuma maye na wamba mframama anka oye sentinyi de obi meba chief we deny onyim de no be president a oye na said de kawa obi abato no dotua nti onu do yan asem foforo atom america na se yefi onu so ye onu fi ho a debt stock onye borrowing
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM
watchim ma sebi a abofra baba oti hen we nya no ntase no bi se debt stock onye borrowing na kawa hen na nde sika hen na ye borrow sebi tama mahama wa bemun na debt stock o ye borrowing na because obi yenya ai ofren yewra Dr. Baumia November 23rd kasebia odutugo o say government ni reckless borrowing no onu wa affect yen Ghana yen rating at America na intinde na me nsem ya wota tutugo nyina na waka ho mayate ho asem na chede by now na nka wa ye nhwehwemu kakra bi a ye ka wobotum da tutuo na nsonsoyin wa ye de wabem again Dr. Baumia again February 16 2015 jumedi bi oye no UDS also the government does not know how much it has borrowed na say wakeka dem nsem ni boma or economic mismanagement. I just want to ask then na wonyi mahia wa bobusana Wolsan will argue the 80 billion on your damn nothing. They want to one fa shenka one. No, or ye sebi or yabati. Honestly, economic mismanagement and other or ye witchcraft and hypocrisy. I don't get it. I ever paid the wobe church in my atas. Could you sit there on top of his head and unto one country hen sika government will borrow. But us we read the minority for one press conference ne kakra wo ne WhatsApp do. The mean to oba na wa ba be ya no other amount. Obi. Oye say e the man na ya dishonest kakra. Sentin there obi sa for equity no. Odo ba with clean hands. Minority for a release. Information minister e wo cabinet ye adwuma da amomai. Eje epu aba no de be yi asema no. Asam na ba be ya no na waka ho asam ne se anu yi na de beba ma ye bohu aban position on the on doubt. Obi what kind of analysis in ye? Asam na ya what that to one merbaka ho asam na mu borrow yi na waka on the figure in demitrim. Enti mendisi fo atro no meya no na ma wo bi so de nti aban na he says the stock ni jitum do 80 billion na mo nyeni na no e borrowing na he no e borrowing na entuma nkama wodi e borrowing be ma wa borrow could obi enough of the kasa.
Ekosiisen on AsempaFM.
You see ya hen ye ya obodum ribi no so we free obi arinte o na yeso ye hu do obi arinte wa yemba na che de wodwuma no rubogu obi
ongu.
I agree.
Amen.
In fact, when I may ogu kra, mo hwe nipa kra we confirm awete. Obi, what I'm trying to tell you in there, oya akoye there nsem na ye kan, oya asem bia ye ne fi de ye condition bi mu. Ye ne nya coat papa bi ahye, ye ne ye shoe okper, enti ye nka asem bi na omba nda ye ne wonyimdi, wona wote ni sebi. Apo mfa honko. And it's sad. Because I expect there the moment I heard the masam na fa ba no ho about to gwan and some key point to be a home put on the you know people are learning from this obi owe confirm class wo no onyim there's all borrowing no so soon there's stock so soon sika ya borrow no soon kawa yetua no soon my service o it did them figures no to na nyimpa so that to no kotodwem obi echina no se nyimpa no obi bisa na no so kan we hu asem bia oyede obaka oda afa ho but dey baba ni abaka ne tra na yedi nkomo a onam position na owonti ehun reference ya is honorable minister osin there asamen na menka se minfa se mfifie mra na topic order ho na menka wasa
minister asamen na wo kan wanka sa analysis
Richard manekwan manenkasa be pato ye ni me
ahanye bibi headquarters
o kwan so be analyze what the minister has
headquarters
on kan
chief proceed
obi you see man pedet ho ase de asema honorable minister odi yi ma dongo wakana no ewudo drum bibi na kade ministers de yenya butare na dem asem no obaba bo pui parliament obi I think there say all the train my minister oba parliament na nka kobi opon kroma na efren na ebisa question onyido ya no I want to expose the hypocrisy in witchcraft na makachra won at American na say ntinyi there awu na dinner ko minister parliament wo mo akochechim na minister ababa kan parliament na yehu yet na awu ka trend 8 billion onyo ni nyina anyi borrow you know. And you know what is your business? Leaving cabinet one I am or Juma for us or mandate na one yen. Na babano na baba kada masemi na that train. Wa bra information so on informa hen na is saying ye by telling us the Yenya Butena Minister Baba
his
Parliament.
Business was to explain the fact say 80 billion a minority thrown about no. Creating the impression that na ye bossing aban ya bono eno nya no kre
obi brofo na kan insana na if his business was to explain ab explanation or the bro there borrowing no 80 billion ni nyina nye borrowing ab explain how did you get it so now how do you understand there he no borrowing na he no nye borrowing do you have that explanation so he had no business talking because he didn't explain anything
until I say one say your analysis.
But
I mean, media for or style or should I was a heckle, but I won't mind you. Obi, it's a simple in it is a borrowing in and now, friend, apart from it to borrowing if there's stock nima, I hate and all your borrowing, and I hear so, and I back and down on your borrowing. Do you know? And if the minister tells you they're trying to call parliament, don't you feel there on you engineer? Because he sought to respond to Asama and you'll be an interview. And I hear them not. You see, enough of the rhetorics. Kasana dosu. I don't want my grofu wotum Asama what about Adaban and Mona Bambutun. Obi in no position in home fast one. Because confidence na grofu do roll mu there. One politics na wo ye no dimun. On my hands so ye jina bibia ye kofo mi ye keye dwuma. What for politicians serious? Now say 10 crop for MPP for why disappointed. I also MPP NDC do kadaya. Entibida. Now say man crop they are all the same. Inside the wabaka why disappointed. I say my kind they are all the same. Because kasa wakasa was the ma ban in juma wa ye na woku won. Na bana won hu juma di bi orien. O ma wo hu ma waka na obi. I was thinking there. Could you upon Kruma would have told us borrow you need it. Se sikani nyina po no nyinda edwuma wodi bia yen ebinyinda one district one dam no one district one factory no ye gudu ye sibe 20
I said okay
there
ma wada ye free SHS ma wada ye planting for food ma wada ye all the other projects ekwa enko dan
obi so question be there edwuma bi a orokodo no Ejuma na NDC fu no yakobo bosan na ade no take you off on aban no tua.
Yes. After I release this never bar or reflect why end that
stock. Na planting for food in Adom Musukwa.
AsempaFM.
Ehun baby esika ni fi but na go for do bear no start planting for food. Obeya no go bosan bear. Another oye nhihye ya obeya obotua do a ono so make sure do implement. So obi anhani ye na say wa adwene papa mu edi church and them ma ba na na nkrofo teacher wo fi dey defend aban no a church and common mama no I agree with you. I mean me to wase na me so obi o teacher because obi e wan asema me bi so yi e na asema honorable Ekojo Opon Nkrumah oken ihwe mu pa na say he dey also ka na wa borrowing no onu bi na was I planting for food na say owo issue with edwuma bi a wakodo because borrowing no take effect and sana worba and edwuma no kodu nti aban ka no baka ye hu no hu ndo e John Dramani Mahama no borrowing they have no business talk about one district offering planting for food and jobs. They have no business to talk about it. Again, Obi, unemployment graduate will pay Krum for the first time. Uye manshwa. Ame anam when this that time na ye wa be me me yemshem. Say tinyi there. Apart from the cool no be dead in yenyim de nyimpa ekru na bie no awie school onye wonya na wanya adwuma. Enti ehu de say could be a pay na chere ade no ya is serious. Nana do danko akufa do shebo. They obey one district, one factory. Obi nyim de no pocket money. Daddy, osi Ghana ha sika wa ha, ma waka nyi na woba man kwa no abey o mampanyi. No yo mampanyi na onnam de Mahama na nimpanyifo wa boniti. Wodi nhihye bogu akwema ye benye sika ahoro no yetum ye da ye dwuma ahoro. Enne ekawa oda hon. So ye borrowing so onye borrowing. Ye nde stock anana akufa do betina don. We shoot to boom. Odo so sinjo Mahama na abir. No do so si John Mahama na biri a ye ka ho asem based on wala wasem eken ni so osun borrowing no so na yi intum so fan nso so yin nto e man ya yanko school yi entasa na wo fa so nyiden obi ko ye na no wo not one village one dam enyi jankrofo wonya ni de agrokocha ni wadwuma na wo woye da minti wonyim de dam reba ma ho adwuma no we 2 pon obi edwuma ni tumpo na ndobe na wodua no doso a watu no wode bafoma nwana wo ye farm no edwuma no increase nwana wodi gwa na woto ndobe no so na wedwuma rekoso nwana asabi yeto ye di befie a ye be retail so na ye edwuma bi ye ansana finally ihe na ye bedin wa ye mfa so woda
on AsempaFM
ana na say em na wedwuma mhafu yi ebinum do nsuko ofa dam nsam nim obi ta asema contractor na oreka. When we were saying that dag out in Wapeda Way, was no. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo said, damn, no pedo ye no the bois. Agriculture, we in grass, na wotum po. And now when you can say, one hour when a human that 1 year no so wants to ma what the man in there. On ye damn no way, nemo way dag out. Obi MPP in summer work at him offer in Puntu Duma wa waterba. Adaminti what the 1 million what the Babako share constituency beam yinan. What ba one champion or Mampena Bedechi daughter about me Okopo St. Augustus. What's ne?
On Asempa.
So what's na hona one man cran no one man marry no one yiska be one fan kayen Puntu Duma one school what in cran one and crofone discard. Onyamina Makai. Vice President. The tape is there. Now, them 1 million one constituency now was share border with Baban. In the Ekebisa was with this Janambia. No be how many constituency say we say Janambia or no be commissioner. Say when use to toilet na uncle. Or commission here or do use.
Ekosiisen.
So no but to so to no do test my hu dey able to me use na. Say thing there. Onya constituency say wo gan nyina wo hia. Onye damage Janambia. Onye constituencies aja wonye nyina onye warehouse a obetu nzoba wo de gum nanso kasa na wakan ma yenya ho ntase no na NDC fu bi no mpofi de president Akufo-Addo obaye magic o se na nsama no kan oyaza wa habem neka moti ababafie nsam ne ye de nanso menyo ka se ekaw a wa beda ho onu na wa be dedi mi enwi minister ni samo Kenya na wude 80 billion na gasa onyada onare otumu twan biara onyada onyu jiweti yo na mo ni tinyo onyu dinyi de onye ni nyina anyi borrowing ina bisa no question so wo cabinet na won poni a o deputies ebien ni komo a wo tey no minister ba wo mo di won fantu nanyim o say na obi onye by force the minister or cabinet no press conference odo point no be yin samano Why do our deputies or who Dominic Fro Botum Wakade, Fre Pius and Afre Bisiano,
And I said,
Moncasa.
if you know information about
On information, come on, you teach on information. Obi, what are you talking about? I want to say Bisa Nipan, Emma, one can say Bisa Miteu, Bisa Nekojo, Casa Dosu. No more question me Bisa on you there. Oh, why? I listen to him. No more question me Bisa on you there. It's there. Borrowing no, ye 80 billion, the debt stock, sorry, borrowing ye 80 billion. Borrowing no, ya he. Eba dina wadaye. As free SHS. Obi. Free SHS nkutinya ada ye hwe o maima.
Anonka no kai.
Obi. Free SHS. Onu nkutinya ada ye hwe o maima na. You see, I dream Paul not free SHS nechi no. Oye. Nemo kwana wadi fado him bukata because of free SHS nti. Me mbisa hwe. Ma ye nka dwumadi bi orokodo. Nemo nyipot na do anori ye dwuma. Infrastructure who bufado under president kufado why plaques northern is the town was so incompetent.
Chief mama nase
Obi meeting on this phone in picture 1 second. Enyim kama.
Yes.
Onyabadi. The law of karma onyadi.
Catch him.
Minim des yes.
Minim.
Enyim aba wodi botechi wodi boba. 2020 about you do.
Medase. Chief buying the Nixon Hamilton yetening kano. Richard Ahagwa motenenka. Mark Oliver Kevo motenenka. Honorable Ochem Abuaje motenenka. Mimidi ndi osei bonsu. Wana obo mechidom ya Dominic isi yeboa. Nana Chumberima. Kwadade Yurenchi Jackson Intiamwa. Eric Opare. And a Queen Star. A Japan. With support from our sponsors, Feco Spray Starch, Manigram, African Queen Mackerel, CB Men and Women Capsules, EcoBank, Morg Real Estate, Echelon Engineering, Sasso Insecticide Spray and Coil, Kojak Pharmacy Limited, Roma Insecticide Spray, Franco Trading, Phone Papa Fie, Nyame Admochna, Yenina Yeshia, Ewo Coconut Grove Regency Hotel one cry ha, 2 p.m. Pepe. Na ye de ahehye so we ye the Ekosiisen National Dialogue Series. Ochina ye share the National Health Insurance Scheme in sustaining the NHIS challenges and prospect. Nyame Adom ochina you have to be there. Ye free. Inti branie nyina ye ntoato adwen emfa National Health Insurance Scheme no Coconut Grove Regency Hotel ne yeshia 2 p.m. pepepe ochina na nyina yeshia mu ho akasafo no endorse Dr. Lydia Janice Selby, CEO National Health Insurance Authority Oba, Honorable Kweku Agyemang Menu, Minister of Health and MP for Doma Central, Mr. Sylvester Mensah, former CEO NHIA Eba, Peter Yeboah, Executive Director Chad, Christian Health Association of Ghana, Dr. Bernard Okoboy, Board Chairman Kolebu Teaching Hospital, MP Lejokuku, Sansona Parliamentary Select Committee of Health, Chairman and ranking member Omunyina Eba. It's an interesting conversation ochina yenyina yebenya ewo Coconut Grove Regency Hotel. Chamber of Pharmacy Ghana impanyifo nso baby. Ena wonso wo ba menso meba. Meni o mahene kwabena sante ne bedi dwumade ne ho chiame. Ndi ochina yenyina yenhia ewo Coconut Grove Regency Hotel Accra. 2 p.m. pepepe metwen wo ho inde bra ne yeni nkomo. Ekosiisen so ni. Good evening.